Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy, got to. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, 100 pockets riding. Got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. No rich niggas, we successful. Say she wanna feel special. What? And Coco make me feel special. I count 100 or better. 100. Back in 200 or better. 200. I might go put all my chains on. I just might change up the weather. She pop a perk and pussy wetter. Drip. I met the bitch at Coachella. If she knew tell her, she probably do better. But can I get an E for effort? I pray to God to wash my sins. God, the phone against me, not a weapon, no weapon. Asking where do I begin? Where? Never trying to take my blessings. They don't know the meaning of the white. Nah. You don't really live this life. No. Niggas in the hood shoot twice. So my niggas in the hood shoot precise. Real wise, we ain't taking no advice. Nah. I realize that these hoes ain't right. Don't need to ask cause they know what's the price. Ain't gotta snow, they already know it's white. I talk to God cause I been baptized. I got mob ties to the north side. Pull up with the sticks on a nigga straight slime. They gon' make the north side high crime. Been out hit a lick with these niggas dropping 10. Hit a lick with these niggas dropping dimes. Fucking on the friend, I'ma break her back in. Looking at the watch, I can't waste time. Take off. Woke up this morning, can't remember nothing. Two bitches just flowing from London. Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The mansion was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy, got to. Pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, 100 pockets riding. Got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket.
Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off with that head. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off on that bed. Shawty get, no I'm feeling right. I need a little bit of that spice. You know I'm finna go all night. Yeah, you don't know. Shawty get thrown off in my high. Yeah, shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get me thrown off in that red. Shawty get me thrown off. Jumping past smoke, got a Spanish bitch on me like a poncho. I'm with a rich hoe, with a hippo. I done had a good day in the 6-4. I feel the love, oh I got it going up. Think about
bigger than dropping them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. You can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill, then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. eternally.
Living on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Love again.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Trizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
You gotta listen to this.
You're good as fuck. I did pretty good.
You did real good. Ain't no pretty
Adam,
good.
thanks so much for coming to speak with me. I feel like I have been hearing so much about fentanyl recently. 5 years ago, I didn't even use it.
It was actually a terrific drug to have. So for late-stage cancer patients, people undergoing surgeries.
Trust your dad. Get the part. I was doing the same thing. They don't make music like this no more. So don't start now. Get ready. Oops, someone left their trash in here. Better go get ready for the concert. Well, you see, I got it on now. Okay, y'all. So, she did a good job on my hair, as y'all can see. So I got this wig off of Amazon. This wig was only $175. Yes. Ooh, phone call. Girl, if you seen it, you'll know it.
That song, that's you just make me do that. My girl's name.
Say hey to the vlog. What's up?
Hey y'all, be on the lookout for collaboration though.
The collab.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. As you can see, she slayed.
Girl, he probably done lost nothing.
She ate down. So I got this wig off Amazon. $175. Only $175. 32 inch. 13x4 frontal. $175. I will add the link, so you know, y'all go check it out. I'm gonna have it in my storefront.